Hi guys, today we will explain about how to contact with customer support of Temu. This is a simple task and you can see I am already on the home page of Temu website. From here, take a look on the right top. Here you will see few options. This one is my profile name, this one is sport, and this one is my language. Like I said, we will contact with the customer support of Temu, so that's why I need to take my mouse cursor on this option sport. And here you will see few things. The first one is sports center, the second one is safety center, the third one is chat with Temu. If you want to do a chat with Temu, then you have to tap on this option chat with Temu. Here you will get the virtual assistant of Temu and it will answer your question. If you want to know something about Temu, you can do a live chat with Temu virtual assistant. But if you want to contact with the help center of Temu, then close this and again take your mouse cursor on sport and tap on this option sports center. This one is the port center of Temu. Here you will get the articles of your questions, means a written article in which they will write everything about your problem. Just for example, if you want to report something on Temu, then you have to tap on that specific article and here you can see a written article. And if you think this was not helpful, then scroll down and here you can see the option no. Tap on it. Here you can also describe about your problem and then tap on this option submit. Then the Temu help center will contact with you through your Gmail or they will contact with you in this app and they will resolve your problem. And it was the way by which you can contact with help center of Temu.